Digital Globe is a satellite imagery company. So in that we fly a constellation of satellites, 3 satellites currently, and we take images of the Earth. With those images, we process them through and we store an image library. So at the moment we have about 1 billion square kilometers of Earth imagery in our image library, and we provide that to customers in the government, in the defense, in civil, map-making companies around the world, as well as people like Yahoo, Google Earth, Microsoft Bing Maps. What makes Digital Globe unique is our constellation of satellites and our capability to be sort of the first eyes on scene and offer that currency layer to our customers. So in terms of a revisit and refresh rate, when something happens around the world, say any sort of natural disaster, whether that was a hurricane in the Haiti earthquakes, or the volcanoes that have erupted, or anything else that might happen, a global mudslide, a fire. Generally, the satellites are going to be able to image that sometime within the next 24 hours. So we're generally the first eyes on scene in the event of a disaster, and that's just one kind of use case of our value proposition. So as Digital Globe set out to look at what it took to remove barriers to consumption from our customers, image files are very large and bulky. So one of the issues we had is being able to get our imagery in our customers' hands where they could use it. As we looked at that market and creating a private cloud, we came across Internap and realized that their value proposition in managing latency on the internet and being able to have a global footprint already enabled of data centers and compute capacity that we could plug into was a great combination. Our imagery and their sort of capability to manage the customer experience was a very strong combination, and we formed a partnership out of that. Through the Internap partnership, we can guarantee certain service level expectations to our customers. So in our cloud, as we're offering out imagery, we are working with our customers to understand what their usage experience looks like. And through the structure that Internap has created, through the contractual relationship, through the IP that Internap has around managing internet latency, we can now take those guarantees that they've given us and extend those out to our customer as a virtual offering. So, Digital Globe brand, our value becomes enhanced by having Internet as a partner underneath us, sort of guaranteeing that experience. Internap's been a great partnership out of the gate. We're relatively new at this. We're creating this cloud offering. We're building it out as we speak. The obvious things that we got involved in the partnership were, in terms of Internet's IP and our need, were great. And then, but what I would really recommend is the fact that the company has been responsive. They're growing, they're interested in where we're going as a growth opportunity, and they've been exceptionally responsive to us as we've built out this infrastructure. As we've found out new customer use cases, new needs, the Internet team has been fantastic and sort of bending over backwards to say, oh, okay, you need to double that up, you need to go faster, and putting people in place, putting infrastructure in place to sort of meet our needs, which, as anybody knows, when a new market emerges, it's relatively volatile in predicting where it's going to go. So having that fast responsiveness has been exceptional.